The last video in Section 5 reviews the Properties panel. The Properties panel displays all the properties and values for the model objects you have selected. Further, the Properties panel can be used to review, edit, and add information to the model. There are a few ways to open the Properties panel. From the model tree, select the object and choose Inspect from the selection bar. From the model inventory, choose the instance, and the Properties panel will open. From the model viewer, click on the object and open the Properties panel. There are two types of properties displayed in the panel: instance properties and type properties. Instance properties are those properties that are unique to a singular object in the database. Type properties are those properties that a group of objects share given their similar type. Editing a type property will modify the property for all the instances in that type. Properties are displayed as read-only or editable. Read-only properties are gray. Properties that can be edited are white and clickable. To edit the information in the Properties panel, simply click on the object and enter the value. Then click Save. This saves the information to the current version of the model. Properties can be edited for a single instance or across multiple instances in the model. You'll notice that the values for those instances are those values that those objects share or have in common across the selection set. In addition to those properties that Assemble publishes from Revit, Assemble also maintains a set of properties unique to this Assemble database. Color overrides, quantity, unit cost, and total cost are values that you'll only find in Assemble. These values will not sync back to the Revit model using Assemble's sync feature. For more information on conditioning properties in Assemble, review Section 11, Conditioning Model Data, for further information.